Want to speak real Chinese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at ChineseClass101.com.
我的名字是雨婷 ，My name is 雨婷。我的名字是 My name is。The more casual way to say your name is 我叫雨婷I'm called 雨婷。你好，很高兴认识你。Hello, nice to meet you. 你好，很高兴认识你。您好。You just can use 您好 to the respectable person, for example, your teacher, your leader, but you can't use in the same generation, friends. If you want to use for friends, you can use 你好. You can say like that. 你好，很高兴见到你 or 你好，很高兴认识你。我来自中国 I'm from China. 我来自中国 I'm from China. And if you want to introduce more about yourself, because China is so big, I want to say that I came from the north part of China. 我来自中国的北方。我住在北京 I live in Beijing. 我住在北京 I live in Beijing. When you introduce yourself, you can use 我住在For myself, I live in 呼伦贝尔。我住在呼伦贝尔。呼伦贝尔 is my hometown. Please visit my hometown, 呼伦贝尔。You are super welcomed. 我是一名学生 I'm a student. 我是一名学生 You can tell your occupation, your career. For example, you are a teacher. You can say 我是一名老师。And if you are an engineer, you can speak 我是一名工程师。医生 doctor, lawyer 律师。And if you work for government, you can speak 我是公务员。条条大路通罗马 All roads lead to Rome. For these phrases, you can use when your friends failed in exam, and you can say that, it's okay. 条条大路通罗马 All roads lead to Rome. 有志者事竟成 Where there is a will, there is a way. Even though Chinese is a little bit hard to learn, there is a will, there is a way. 即使中文有一点难学，但是有志者事竟成 You can do it. 千错万错都是我的错 It's all my fault. You can use this phrase to your girlfriend or your boyfriend. It's really helpful, trust me. If you annoy your boyfriend or girlfriend, you just say, 千错万错都是我的错 I guarantee that your girlfriend or your boyfriend will laugh and don't angry anymore. 我只花了1年时间就说得流畅了 It took me only 1 year to become fluent. Actually, I think it's a little bit hard. If you are really spent 1 year to become fluent, you are genius. 你说的我全都能明白 I completely understood everything you said. Maybe you speak this sentence to the Chinese native speaker, they will shock.
The first one is 你怎么样 How are you doing? 你怎么样 How are you doing? 你怎么样 This is a very casual way of saying hello or keeping updated. So what's new about you? Like that. Or just how are you? Are you good? Like that. So 你怎么样 The next one is 你最近还好吗 How have you been recently? 你最近还好吗 How have you been recently? This is a casual way of saying hello, but a little special thing about this way of saying hello is maybe you already know there's something going on with your friend. For example, your friend just got a disease and have been staying in hospital for a long time, or have been going through a breakup, or just got a new job, but very busy, but have a very bad boss. So you can say, 你最近还好吗 How have you been recently? The next one is 我很好 I'm fine. 我很好 I'm fine. So when somebody is asking you, how have you been recently? You can respond, 我很好 I'm fine. Actually, in Chinese, 很好 is a little better than fine based on my understanding because 很好 很 is very 好 means good. So it actually means I'm very good. 我挺好的 I'm pretty good. 我挺好的 I'm pretty good. For example, your friend has been in America study for master degrees. Maybe you are a little worried about how he's doing in America. You can ask, oh, how have you been recently? How are you in America? But you actually very enjoy America's life. You say, I'm doing pretty good. 我挺好的 It means you are satisfied with your life situation. The next one is 我也挺好的 I'm doing good too. 我也挺好的 I'm doing good too. So when your friend is say, I'm doing pretty good. 我挺好的 And you too, you are satisfied with your life, with your work. You can say, I'm doing good too. Or if you do not want to share with your friend more information about your life, even you're not doing good, you can also say like, 我也挺好的 Yeah, I'm satisfied. That's okay. Yeah, if you do not, it's like a pragmatical function. Use it for close conversation. 我也挺好的 Next one is, 我可以要一张地图吗Could I get a map? 我可以要一张地图吗 Could I get a map? Map. If you use your hand gesture enough, I think Chinese will know what you want. Yeah. 你会讲英语吗 Do you speak English? 你会讲英语吗 Do you speak English? So when you see 么 at the end of a sentence, Chinese sentence, you will know this is a sentence for asking a question. 什么什么么 What 么有没有从机场进入市区的巴士 Is there a bus from the airport to the city? 有没有从机场进入市区的巴士 Is there a bus from the airport to the city? So in China, since we have a big population, especially in the airport or in a train station, sometimes we need to line up for the taxi. So it may be a very useful sentence when you get to the China for the first time. Wi-Fi 是免费的吗 Is the Wi-Fi free? Wi-Fi 是免费的吗 Is the Wi-Fi free? Another common question is, what is the Wi-Fi password? Wi-Fi 的密码是什么今晚有房间吗 Do you have any vacancies tonight? 今晚有房间吗 Do you have any vacancies tonight? So different from English, we put the time in front of a sentence instead of at the end of the sentence. So 今晚 means tonight. 选择目的地 To choose your destination. 选择目的地 To choose your destination. 我早就选择好了我的目的地 I had my destination chosen a long time ago. I think comparing to scheduling your trip, choosing your destination is much easier. For now, I really want to go to Taiwan. It's a place I have been wanting to go for a long time. And since now I'm in Japan, it's affordable and it's easy. And I know the local language. So yeah, this is a destination for my next trip. 买旅行指南 To buy a guidebook. 买旅行指南 To buy a guidebook. 你在哪里买的旅行指南 Where did you get your travel guide? For my traveling experience, I never buy a guidebook. Especially for now, it's so easy to use Google and TripAdvisor. Maybe guidebook works for you. 存钱 To save money. 存钱 To save money. 我要从今天开始存钱 I need to start saving money from today. For me, saving money is always from tomorrow. It's like my friend's diet plan. I will start diet from tomorrow. For me, I will start saving money from tomorrow. 订机票 To book a flight. 订机票 To book a flight. 在星期二订机票会比较便宜 It will be cheaper to book your flight on a Tuesday. 请假 To request vacation time. 请假 To request vacation time. 我想在12月请假2周 I would like to ask for a 2-week leave in December.
我24岁 I'm 24 years old. Okay, next one. Tell your age. Ha ha ha. Maybe sometimes you don't want to tell your age, but it's okay. 我今年24岁 I'm 24 years old. 我的爱好是摄影。My hobby is photography. 我的爱好是摄影。My hobby is photography. And also I love travel. 而且我也喜欢旅行。你喜欢旅行吗？ Do you like to travel? 我喜欢听音乐。I enjoy listening to music. 我喜欢听音乐。I enjoy listening to music. And also, I also enjoy cooking. 我喜欢做饭。And watching movie. 看电影。我学习中文已经24年了。I have been learning Chinese for 24 years. 我学习中文已经24年了。I have been learning Chinese for 24 years. How long have you been studying Chinese? 你学中文多长时间了？我的梦想是成为一名中文老师。My dream is to be a Chinese teacher. 我的梦想是当一名中文老师。My dream is to be a Chinese teacher. So here I am. I hope you can enjoy my lesson. 我希望你们喜欢我的中文课。
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.